Hi, my name is Cheryl McLaughlin with crazycheryl.com and welcome to expertvillage.com. Today we're making a variety of hot cereals. The back burner here has just been sitting without any burners on, and this is the 7-grain rolled mix. And you know when it's done when the water is pretty much absorbed. And this is a really delicious hot cereal. We're just going to put it in a bowl and add some milk and some sugar or honey. The first one here on this first burner is a cracked wheat. We added 3 cups of water and 1 cup of cracked wheat when the water came to a boil, with about a teaspoon of sea salt, and it is delicious and almost ready. There's still a little bit of moisture there. The third one we're making right now is actually in a pressure cooker, and it's going to be brown rice. I put 1.5 cups of water, and we're putting a little bit of sea salt, again about a teaspoon of sea salt in there. We'll bring it to a boil, and I love my pressure cooker, and as soon as this comes to a boil, we're going to go ahead, and it's just about at a boil, so I'm going to go ahead and add 1 cup of brown rice with the 1.5 cups of water. And with a pressure cooker, it's so fun because all we do is put on our lid, close it, and we're going to wait for this one ring to get up to about the first red ring. We turn off the burner and let it go, and actually I cook it for 25 minutes, but I don't really have to think about it much once I turn off the burner and it hits the first little red ring. And that's 3 cereals.